Hello my viewers, welcome back to my drawing channel. So today I am drawing another drawing of Little Singham, one of your favorite characters. So I am using a black pointer as always I use. First of all, we will draw the cap of the Singham just like this. Draw with me, it's very easy. It's better to first draw the drawing with a light pencil on the paper and then you try to trace it with something darker as I am using. It is much better in learning just for beginners. So I suggest you this type of trick for the drawing so it may be perfect just as I am drawing. Now we are drawing the glasses of Little Singham. If you like my drawing, please do subscribe and don't forget to comment on my drawing. And if you have any wishes, I'll fulfill your wishes and draw whatever you want to draw. So now drawing the face, the rest of the body, the uniform, its shoulders, the belt and the pistol. The pockets in the uniform, and now drawing its fisted hand and another fist in which he is holding the stick that is usually with some police officers as Singham is a police officer. I hope you like these drawings. So now we are coloring it and I am using the soft brush tip markers. These are ordered by Zaraz. You can order them from Amazon also. If you want the link, I will post the link for you. So do color with these. These are very soft brushes and it's very easy to use them just for beginners. So watch the video till end. Its coloring is relaxing and don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thank you.